Hi, my name's Jeff. Welcome back to Wild Things Garage. Today we're going to be installing motor mounts on a late 80s small block Chevy. It's going to be in a 1934 three-window highboy coupe. Stick around. Okay, here we have two stock motor mounts that bolt to the engine. I just cleaned them up and repainted them with the high temp black so that they will look nice once we get them all in. The hardware is ARP, comes from an engine and accessory fastener kit. Part number 534-9804. Because I didn't want to reuse old hardware. You want to try to get new hardwares any chance you can when it comes to rebuilding stuff. I like to start, I always put a little dab of Loctite on each bolt, just so that I don't have to worry about it coming out on me later. Just a little glob does just fine. And this just mounts right here. Run them in by hand, get it started at least. That way you can get your other ones lined up. Just run them in by hand. And you just want to snug them up. Don't go too tight if you're going to torque them, because you want to make sure that you take them up to torque and not beyond. I happen to have a torque wrench. We're going to use that. It's set at 25 foot-pounds. These are rated between 20 and 30. I always like to kind of go in the middle. Just that simple. Other side's the same way. Now the engine mounts went on really easy, so I figured I might as well put the carburetor studs on while we have the engine out here ready to work on. I've already put Loctite on them, and these are not any kind of a load-bearing nut or bolt, so you don't need any kind of crazy torque on them. You just want to snug them down. You're going to snug your nuts down onto the carburetor, squishing the gasket, and that'll make your seal. So you shouldn't have any problems with that. And these studs are Spectre Performance, part number 42513. I get a lot of my parts from Speedway Motors, some stuff off Amazon. The engine is a late 80s small block Chevy 350, 4-volt main, and I had some work done to it. It's got Edelbrock heads and an intake. It's going to have an Edelbrock carburetor. All new pistons, rings, cam. Basically the whole bottom end has all been redone. And we're looking to get about 360 to 370 horsepower out of it. should move our little 34 coupe around pretty good. Since we're not ready to install the carburetor and we still need to put the engine into the car, we're going to go ahead and install the carburetor block off and lifting plate. And this will keep anything from falling down into the intake and also give us a place to hook up our engine hoist to pick the car up, or pick the engine up. Just run these down. Well, that'll do it for Wild Things Garage today. We got the motor mounts on, we got the carburetor studs in, got the block off plate and lifter installed. But make sure you come back because we got to put the water pump on, we're going to hang the alternator, all the pulleys, fuel pump, basically get this engine all ready to go in that hot rod. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.